Hi friends, today I am going to make jackfruit pickle or Kathal ka achar. It is very easy, you too can make it and store it for months and years to be used later. So let's begin. For this, I will be taking 2 kg cut jackfruit pieces of medium size. While cutting it, make sure you keep some part of the middle hard portion as it will hold the jackfruit pieces in shape. Now, I will be heating up 1 cup water in pressure cooker. You can see it releasing hot steam. Let's transfer all the jackfruit pieces into the cooker and boil. Our purpose is only to half boil it and not entirely cook it. So I am turning off the induction stove after only 1 whistle and immediately pouring cold water over it to release the high pressure steam inside it. Then draining the water and letting it cool down. You can see all the pieces in their original form, tight and firm, not soggy at all, kind of perfectly blanched. Time to keep the pieces under sun for 4 to 5 hours, though I will not let it dry completely. I will be flipping the pieces from time to time so that they are uniformly dehydrated. Meanwhile, I will be heating up the mustard oil till it reaches its smoking point. Turning off the stove now and letting it cool down. I'm pretty sure the raw smell of mustard oil must have gone by now. Preparation of spices starts now. I am taking 4 teaspoon dhania or coriander seed, 2 teaspoon cumin or whole jeera, 1 teaspoon fennel seed, 1 teaspoon karum seed or ajwain, 1 teaspoon black cumin, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seed, 2 pieces of half-inch cinnamon stick, 4-5 pieces of clove, 6 dry red chili, 1 star anise, 5 green cardamom and half teaspoon black pepper in a Khaṭāī. I am keeping 1 teaspoon each of fennel seed, kalonji and methi aside in a separate bowl. Let's roast the spices for 3 to 4 minutes just to make it moisture free. Time to turn off the stove. Now I will be adding 50 gram yellow and 1 teaspoon black mustard seed along with half teaspoon hing or asafoetida and mix them well. Adding mustard seed at the end helps to retain its signature strong, pungent and somewhat bitter taste which otherwise would have lost if it is roasted. Let's grind the spices coarsely like this. I will be roasting the other 3 spices separately for 3 minutes and keeping aside as whole. In a big Khaṭāī, I am taking 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon chili powder and pouring semi-hot oil into it. It will kind of sterilize these 3 uncooked ingredients for sure. Next, I will be adding the coarse masala powder into it, mixing it nice and proper. These are the semi-sun-dried jackfruit pieces. I'm gonna add it to the masala mix and mix it thoroughly. Each and every pieces need to be coated with oil masala mix uniformly. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon amchur powder and 2 teaspoon apple cider vinegar into it. You can use normal white vinegar as well. Salt, spices, oil and vinegar will act as preservative for our achar and will help increase its shelf life. Now I'm gonna add the other 3 whole spices and mix it well. Let it sit for 30 minutes so that oil masala mix get inside it and soften it a little. More mixing continues after that. Now I will be transferring the jackfruit pieces into a clean glass jar after rinsing the jar with little oil first. Pouring oil in between the fillings for 2-3 times until we are fully done will be a good idea. Mustard oil, because of its strong flavor, is often considered to be the better option for achar preparation. Having said that, you can also use refined oil or sesame oil. After transferring all the contents, don't forget to top it with more oil for better results. I hope you will like my video and prepare tasty Kathal ka achar with this recipe. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you and see you next time.